So this is the official website that you can register for DV Lottery 2025. Hello everyone, my name is Ahinsko and I welcome you back once again to Ahinsko Solutech. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and then turn on the bell notification for more updates. And if you are old here, thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to register for DV Lottery 2025. So without further ado, let's dive into the video starting right now. Now, the official website for registering DV Lottery is dvprogram.state.gov. dvprogram.state.gov. Do not let anybody lie to you and take away your money. You can also register yourself. Yeah, you just follow my instructions. Do not skip any part of this video. Otherwise, you will miss some important notes which will not let you complete your registration. So do not skip any part of the video. And please take note here. Nobody can say he can let you win or he can make them select you for the DV lottery. Not even the government of Ghana, not even the government of any country can assure you that he or she can let you win the DV lottery. It is just random pick. It is random pick. When you register and then you are lucky enough, you will be selected. So do not let anybody deceive you and then take away your money. Do not let anybody deceive you and then take away your money. So if you click on the link, I'll place the link to register the DV Lottery 2025 in the video description. When you click on it, this is where it will take you to. This is where it will take you to. It says Electronic Diversity Visa Program. Welcome. Our State Department website for the 2025 Diversity Visa Program is now open. The entry submission period for DV 2025 is from 12 o'clock p.m. EDT on October 4th, 2025 to 12 o'clock p.m. EST on November 7th. So the registration will end on the 7th of November 2023. So you just look sharp and then register. If you're lucky enough, you will be in US in the year 2025. So if you're lucky enough, just register. Okay, it's just random pick. Do not let anybody take away your money. Now you can click here that says entry instruction to go and read about them, their qualification, their disqualifications, what they are expected from you and what they are not expected from you. You can click here that says DV 2025 instruction to go and then read about them. And then they are having photo instructions here. Whenever you are registering for DV Lottery, they will ask you to upload your passport picture. They will ask you to upload your passport picture. You also can click here that says photo example to go and read about what photo they are expected from you to upload. And then when you scroll down here, you can see check status here. Check status here. Those who applied last year can check whether they were being selected or not. Yeah, so when you click on it like this, you click on and continue here. You click on continue. Now, whenever you register for DV Lottery, they will give you confirmation code and others. So this is what you are going to enter here. You enter the confirmation code that they give you when you registered, and then you enter your last or your family name here. You enter your year of birth, and then you enter the code here. You enter the code here, and then you click on submit. Right from there, you'll be taken to your dashboard and then check whether you were selected or not. Yeah, they will never call you that you have been selected. This is what you will be using to check whether you are selected or not. So do not throw away the confirmation number or confirmation code that they will give you. So if you are new and then you want to register, you've got to click here that says begin entry. Right from there, you just come and enter the code here, the numbers and then the letters here, and then you continue. All right, so we are in. So this is the portal. This is the portal that you are going to fill. So here you are going to enter your last name or family name here. You enter your first name, you enter your middle name. If you are not having middle name, you just click here that says no middle name. You select your gender, whether you are male or female. You come down here and then enter the credentials for birth date. Now take note here, you are going to start with your month. Just start with your month. Yeah, and then you come to day and then year. So let's say if you were born in the month of January, you just write 01 here, and then let's say 13, and then the year to let's say 1995. You just enter it here. Okay, you just enter it here. Just follow the instruction given above, or else they will not accept your registration. Right from there, you select the city where you were born. Enter birth city only. Do not enter the church, country, province, state. So you just gotta enter the birth city where you were born, your birth city. Yes, select it here. And then you select country where you were born. Just enter the city where you were born. You come down here and then select country where you were born. Now, take note, it is not all the countries that you are eligible for applying for DVLO3 2025. So you just gotta check from the description below whether your country is part before you can apply for the DVLO3 2025. So if you are from Ghana, Germany, Georgia, Gather Trip, Gabon, you just check through. If you are from Ghana, you just click on Ghana here, and then it says country of eligibility for the DV program. Your country of eligibility will be normally be the same as your country of birth. So if your country of eligibility is normal as your country of birth, you just tick here that says here, yes, automatically it will be ticked for you. If it is not the option you are supposed to select, you just change it here. Right from there, they are saying if not, you must enter the country from which you are claiming eligibility from. So yeah, you just gotta select here and then select the country you are applying from. Now they are having entrant photograph, so you gotta read the instructions below and then check the type of photograph they want you to upload. So if you have passport picture there, you just take screenshot of it and then upload it here. Just click here that says choose new photo. You just click here that says choose new photo. You can choose from your files, you can choose from your camera, or capture it direct to it. You just select it, and then they are having mailing here. This is, take note here, this is what they will use to communicate with you. They will never call you that you've win the DV lottery, so come to US. Or your credential that you provide is what they will contact you through. The email address that you will provide is what they will contact you through. So in care of if somebody is taking care of you or something, I think in care of, yeah. As for that one, it is optional. If you like, you can just leave it like that, and then you come and enter your address here, your address line here, address line 2. That one too, it is optional, so you can just enter the one here. You enter your city, your town here. You enter your district, country, province, or state here. Right from there, you come to postal code or zip code. Now, if you are from Ghana, the postal code or zip code for Ghana is 00233. If you are from Ghana, the postal code is 00233. If you are not from Ghana, you just go and then check from your country's postal code or zip code here. And then G is asking you to select the country you are from here. The country you are from here. Then you come to country where you live today. The country you are from is quite different from the country you live today. If the country you are from is the same as the country you are living today, you just gotta select the same for here and then here. Right from there, you just enter your mobile number here, your phone number. It is optional. You can um just ignore it here, and then you enter your email address. You confirm your email address. It says this email address will be used to provide you with additional information if you are selected. So as I said earlier, the credential that you be provided will be what they will contact you through. They will never call you on mobile phone. So make sure the email address that you enter here, you use it. Yeah, make sure you use it. And then 12, it says, what is the highest level of education you have achieved as of today? So if you completed primary school only, you just tick here. If you completed high school with no degree, tick. If you completed high school with degree, you just take vocational school, some university courses, university degree, some graduate level courses, master's degree, some doctorate level courses, doctorate degree. Just select from the list provided here. Just select from the list provided here, and then you come to 13 here. What is your current marital status? We are having unmarried, married, and my spouse is not a US citizen. Married and my spouse is US citizen. Divorced, widowed, legally separated. So you are going to choose from the list provided here. You are going to choose from the list provided here. And if you are married, how many children are you having? If you are married, how many children are you having? You just gonna enter the number of children you are having here. If you haven't married, just leave it like that. And then you come and click on continue here. You come and click on continue here. Now take note of the second part of the registration. That's the most important thing. That's the most important thing. If you ignore that, all the registration here will be in vain. All the registration here will be in vain. Now, in the second part of the registration, you'll be given a confirmation code and then confirmation numbers. That's what you'll be using for next 2 years, which is 2025, to check whether you were selected or not. So do not joke with it or do not throw it away. If possible, you can just take screenshot of it or you can print it. You can just take screenshot of it or you can print it. I didn't feel anything here, so I can't just continue, but I will show you how it looks like. All right, so when you are done registering your Development 2025, it will come as success, and then you'll be given confirmation number. So the confirmation number and then digital signature is what you have to pay attention to. Just write it somewhere. If you know you will forget, just take screenshot of it and then hide it somewhere, or you can just click on print and then print it and then save it somewhere safe where you will be needing next year to check whether you were selected or not. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, kindly give it a thumbs up and then share for others to enjoy. If you encounter any problem registering, just go to my YouTube about and then take my WhatsApp contact. Chat me, I will help you out. Follow Ahinsko Solutech on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and then on Twitter. It's Ahinsko here, and then I'm out. Bye.